What is going on guys, Heatseeker here and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to unbox HyperX Cloud Pro Silver gaming headphones which I bought from Amazon.in for 4000 rupees in the Amazon Great Indian Sale. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let's start by seeing what's written on the front of the box. As you can see, we got the picture of the headphones itself. Then on top we can see all the devices which this headphone supports. Then on the front it is also written that this is the HyperX Cloud Pro gaming headset silver edition. Also it has inline audio controls. Then it also has durable aluminum frame and it has award-winning comfort. Well, we have to see about that. Then this headphone is also Discord and TeamSpeak certified. Now moving to the side, we got the picture of the headphone itself along with the link of the HyperX website. Then on the other side, we get to know that HyperX also provides headsets for esport organizations like Team Liquid, then SK Gaming, to name a few esport teams, which is a very good thing in my opinion. Now let's unbox the headphones and look what's inside the box. Opening up the box itself, we can see that we get a lot of stuff inside which we are going to see one by one. The first thing which we can see is that we get is HyperX support card, which we can use to contact HyperX if we think that something is wrong with our headphones or if you want to replace it. Next up, we also get some information about other HyperX products which HyperX provides us. If we want, we can get. Then this is a congratulations card from HyperX on joining the HyperX family. Then this is the instruction manual which I recommend you guys to read when you buy the headphones. This will give you a detailed guide on how should you use your headphones and also how it works. So after that is done, now let's look at the headphones itself. Now removing the foam from top of the box, we get to see the headphone along with all the accessories. Now first let's look at the detachable mic itself. As you can see, it is a very small mic and it has gold plating on the plug itself. Then as you can see, it is also very bendy and we can bend it according to our needs. Then we also get a carrying pouch which is made up of mesh to keep our headphones safe when we travel, and it is of very good high quality material and is also very big. This is a very good gesture from HyperX to keep our headphones safe. And then we also get some extra cable which we can use to connect this headphone to our PC. As you all may know that PC has two different input options. One is for speaker and the other one is for mic. Now looking at the headphone for the first time, I can say that this looks very nice, and also feeling it in hand, I can say that this is a very sturdy headphone and it will not break easily. We can extend the height of the headband in order for the headphone to fit on our heads easily. We can see that it is very stretchable and it is made up of aluminium, so it is not that heavy. It consists of foam padding on both the ear cups, and also the headband is pretty well padded. Also it consists of 53 mm drivers which give out very good sound quality, which I need to test in order to check how good they actually sound. Also it has braided cable so that the cable doesn't break or get snapped easily, which is a very good thing in my opinion. The plug of the headphones is gold plated, which is very good for sound quality, and also the inline control button consists of mute button and volume control button so that we can control the volume through the inline controls easily. Also the HyperX logo is also engraved on top of the band along with stitching, which looks very nice and professional. The headphones have very nice matte finish and it does not look like cheap plastic at all. You can use the cable splitter which is provided with these headphones to connect these headphones to your PC. And also the extra cable is braided, which is very good as both the cables are very sturdy and will not snap easily. This is the place where you can connect your microphone to this headphone. It also comes with a cover so that you can use the cover when you are not using the microphone. This is a very good gesture from HyperX. As for the mic test, I would like to say that this whole video has been recorded using the headset mic, so you guys can judge according to it how good it sounds. Also, for gaming you don't need a very high quality mic, although this is a very good mic compared to some other mics. So that is it for this video. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to smash that like button, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe to it. Also, do mention in the comments down below if you like HyperX products or not. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.